Exercise 2.3, question number 1, solve the equations by inversion method. So given equations are x plus 2y equal to 2, 2x plus 3y equal to 3. We get corresponding matrix equation as coefficients of x are 1, 2, coefficients of y are 2, 3. That will give you matrix A. Variables are x, y. So that will give you the matrix X. Constants 2, 3 will give you the matrix B. Now we will pre-multiply both the sides by A inverse. So A inverse into A will give you matrix I, that is the unit matrix. I into X will give you the matrix X, that is the matrix of variables x, y. We can have this matrix as multiplication of A inverse and B. For that, we have to get this A inverse. For getting A inverse, we will calculate first of all determinant of A. So 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4. So 3 minus 4 will give you minus 1. Now cofactors A11 minus 1 raised to I plus j always into minor of A11. First row, first column we will delete. What remains here is 3. So 3 into minus 1 raised to 2 will be 1. No. So 1 into 3 is 3. A12 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. First row, second column we have to delete. What remains here is 2. So this 2 into this minus 1, because minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. So minus 1 into 2 will give you minus 2. A21 minus 1 raised to I plus j always. Here it is 2 plus 1. Now second row, first column we have to delete. What remains here is 2. 2 into minus 1 will give you minus 2. A22, second row, first column we have to delete. What remains is 1. So minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2 according to I plus j. So minus 1 raised to 4, that is 1. 1 into 1 will give you 1. So cofactor matrix is 3 minus 2 minus 2 1. See, 3 minus 2 minus 2 1. Now adjoint of matrix A is always transpose of cofactor matrix. So first row of cofactor matrix will become first column of the adjoint. Second row will become second column of the adjoint. Now A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant we have already calculated as minus 1. So 1 upon minus 1 into adjoint of A. Dividing by minus 1, I will get minus 3, 2, 2, minus 1. Now by using 1, we will have x equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is minus 3, 2, 2 minus 1. B is 2, 3. See here, this is your matrix B, 2, 3. Now multiplication is like that. First row, first column. Minus 3 into 2 will give you minus 6. 2 into 3 will give you plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 will be 0. First row, second column is not there. Therefore, we have to start from second row. Second row, first column now. 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So by equality of matrices, we will say that x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. Okay. Now next equations, next question is x plus y equal to 4 and 2x minus y equal to 5. Corresponding matrix equation is 1, 2, 1 minus 1 will give you the matrix A. X, Y, which is the matrix of variables, will give you matrix X. 4, 5 is the matrix of constants, will give you matrix B. We will pre-multiply both the sides by A inverse. So A inverse into A will give you I, that is the unit matrix. This unit matrix into X will give you X. So we can have this X by multiplication of A inverse and B. So for that we have to get A inverse. Now determinant of A is 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 1 into 2, 2. So minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Therefore A inverse exists. Now A11, that is a cofactor matrix. So for getting cofactor matrix, we have to get A11, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. First row, first column, we have to delete. First row, first column, we have to delete. Then what remains here is minus 1. See. So minus 1 into this 1, because minus 1 raised to 2 will be 1. No. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Now A12, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. First row, second column we have to delete. 2 remains here. So 2 into, this is minus 1, but it will be minus 2. A raised to, sorry, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 now, that because it is second row, first column. Second row, first column we have to delete. What remains here is 1. So 1 into this minus 1 will give you minus 1. A22, second row, second column we have to delete. What remains here is 1. A22, that means minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2. Minus 1 raised to 4, it will be 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So cofactor matrix is minus 1, minus 2, and second row will be minus 1, 1. See here. Adjoint of A is always transpose of the cofactor matrix. So minus 1, minus 2, which is a row, it will become column now. And minus 1, 1, which is a row, it will become column, second column now. So A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Here determinant, value of determinant is minus 3. So 1 upon minus 3 into this adjoint. Okay. So it will give you the A inverse. Now using 1, we will get X as A inverse into B, that is the multiplication of A inverse and B. A inverse here is 1 by minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 1. And B is the constant matrix, is matrix of constant, 4, 5. So minus 1 by 3 we will keep aside. Minus 1 into 4 will give you minus 4. Minus 1 into 5 will give you minus 5. First row, first column. Finished. Second row, first column now. Minus 2 into 4, minus 8. 1 into 5 will give you 5. Just this is second row, second column. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 9, minus 8 plus 5, minus 3. Dividing by minus 3, we will get 3 here, and divide by minus 3, we will get here 1. By equality of matrices, we will say that x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. That is, we got the solution of the given simultaneous equation as x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. These two problems are homework for you. Okay? Thank you. If you like the video, then you can give a like, and you can pass this video to the needy students. Thank you very much.